So yesterday up to the Ohm's law we have discussed, and so up to the Ohm's law we have discussed, and today we will discuss the topic that is resistance. Is it audible? Audible,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
voice is visible, screen is visible,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
screen दिख रहे हैं ना? Okay. And the latecomers will join now. You put your
Screen
roll
दिसत
number in the
नाहीये.
chat box. I will. Screen दिसत नाही का?
दिसते सर.
हाँ सर दिसायले.
अभी कौन कौन ज्वाइन हो गए ना, तुम्हारा रोल नंबर चैट बॉक्स में डाल दो, मैं बाद में अटेंडेंस डाल देता हूँ. ठीक है. So yesterday we have discussed about electrical conductivity of conductors here now. Some free electrons are there, and based on that one, because of the without any supply, the free electrons will move freely in a conductor. It will create the path from negative to positive. Once the voltage is applied, that will the free electrons will get the opposition of that one. That opposition, whatever the is there during the travel of free electrons, that opposition we are going to call that one, because of resistance we are going to tell that one. So the resistance definition we have to discuss. Just a minute. Now the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
नहीं, मेरा फेस कट कैसे दिख रहा है मेरे को मालूम नहीं हो रहा है. वीडियो ऑफ हो गई क्या मेरा?
हाँ.
ठीक है. Okay. Yes, when full screen it will take so much time. This one already we have discussed in the last class. Now we'll discuss the statement or definition of resistance here now. Anyone, can you tell that one? It is already in the conductivity of a conductor. We have discussed that one. The opposition offered by a free to the free electrons. That one we are property of resistance we are going to consider. So resistor is a device. Resistance is the property of that material or substance we are going to tell that one. So due to which it opposes the flow of current or flow of electrons through it. Some conductor is there, in that conductor the current will flow, but while the current is flowing, some opposition will be occur. Because of that opposition, the current will be, so to flow the current freely, some opposition will be occurred. That opposition is because of the resistance we are going to call that one. So resistance is the property of a substance due to which it opposes the flow of current through it. So it is a property of a material. Because of that material property, it opposes the flow of current through it. It opposes the flow of current through it. It is the definition of resistance here now. So its symbol is this one. This is the symbol. We are going to use that one. This is the symbol. So the unit of the resistance is ohm here. This is the ohm, and we can measure this one in ohm, kilo ohm, higher resistance, mega ohm, like that. We are going to measure this ohm resistance here now. Is it clear? Resistance? There is no, it is a two terminal device. We are going to call this one as two terminal. This is the one terminal. This is the another terminal here now. So this one is completely, it is a resistance here. So much disturbance is there here. आवाज आ रहा है ना बाहर का?
नहीं सर.
No, sir.
नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है, अच्छा है फिर. Okay, no problem then. So resistance, the briefer explanation of that one previous we have discussed about definition of resistance and everything. Now we'll go for that one. It is a material. Resistance material is different for material to material here. So resistance is completely depends on the material only. एक material को resistance रहते हैं ना, same material it will not repeat for the, it will not be same for the other material. Example I will take that one, metal ले लो, iron ले लो, aluminium, silver, copper, gold also it's a good conductor only. We can conduct that one here now. So each material, plastic, rubber, wood, everything is there. All materials you can consider here. No, each material resistance is different. For material to material, it is different. We can tell that one. Resistances like metals, or metals, rods, iron rods, aluminium, silver, these offer less opposition to the flow of free electrons. Less oppositions occur karte hain. Because of these material have less resistance. If the resistance is low, then opposition will be less, obviously we can tell that one. So the copper, silver, aluminium, even gold also, the resistance is very less, gold, silver and all the things, copper, silver. For that reason only घर में कौन सा वायर कंडक्टर यूज करते हैं? घर में वायरिंग किया है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वायरिंग के अंदर वो थोड़ा खोल के देखो, कॉपर रहते हैं ना?
कॉपर रहता है
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
that is-
Copper.
that copper we are going to use that one. That is, it has less resistance. Less resistance means it will helps to flow the current through that one. There is no opposition. Less opposition रहते हैं. That way easily the current will can travel, flow into the circuit. So second one, second characteristic is substances is nothing but materials like insulators. Insulators means is nothing but rubber, plastic, glass, even wood also. Some dry woods also we can consider that one. Offer very high opposition. Opposition high रहते, current flow करने के लिए allow ही नहीं करते these all things, because it has very high resistance. अभी कोई तो तुम्हारा एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ मैं. घर में कुछ जो कंडक्टर का वायर टूटे हुआ वाला है, उसका काम करने के टाइम घर में बोलते वो कुछ तो प्लास्टिक के अंदर डाल दो, शूज वेयर करो, प्लास्टिक चेयर पर बैठो. They are going to tell that one because that has very high resistances. It will not allow to flow the current through that one. One more thing I will tell that one, सबका घर में वायरिंग किया है. वायरिंग मीन्स अंदर का कॉपर है ना, that is called conducting part. उसके ऊपर रबर रहते हैं ना? Yes or no?
हाँ सर.
Yes,
That
sir.
Yes,
rubber
sir.
is nothing but insulator. It will not allow the current to flow outside that one. So rubber तुमने hold किया तो भी कुछ नहीं होते. You will not get the electrical shock. But उसके अंदर का कंडक्टर पकड़ लिया ना, करंट शॉक लगते तुमको, है ना? So that is rubber, plastic, glass. These all things are insulators बोलते हैं. First one is conductor, metal parts. So very less resistance किसको रहते हैं, उसको हमने conductors बोलते हैं. तो very high resistance किसको रहते हैं, उसको insulators बोलते हैं. Suppose medium resistance है, इसमें current भी flow हो जाते हैं, but इसको क्या हो जाते, करंट लीकेज भी हो सकते, करंट को अपोजिशन भी रहते. मीडियम it is going to give that one. Those type of materials we are going to call as semiconductor. Semiconductor कौन सा है? डायोड, triac, diac, IGBT, MOSFET, transistor. These are the semiconductors we are going to consider that one. Substances like semiconductors, example silicon, germanium. These are the silicon semiconductor material. Silicon रहते diode में, germanium material रहते, like that. Offers medium opposition to the flow of free electrons through it. That is, these materials have moderate resistance here. Now moderate resistance means medium resistance. जैसा high भी नहीं रहते, जैसा रबर प्लास्टिक में रहता है ऐसा हाई नहीं रहते, जैसा लो भी नहीं रहते, कॉपर सिल्वर एल्यूमिनियम में लो रहते ना, ऐसा लो भी नहीं रहते. मीडियम resistance it has. For that reason semiconductors we are going to consider. Semi is nothing but half conductor. जैसा full current allow नहीं करते, only some part it is the current it is going to allow that one. For that reason the semiconductor materials are silicon, germanium, ऐसा cadmium, बहुत सारे semiconductor materials are there. So resistance offered by different material is in order of metal, semiconductor, insulator. Metals तो फुल कंप्लीट लो रेजिस्टेंस रहते हैं मेटल्स में, और सेमीकंडक्टर में मीडियम रेजिस्टेंस रहते हैं, इंसुलेटर में रेजिस्टेंस इज वेरी हाई, इट विल नॉट अलो. Metals have very less resistance, so they will allow the current to flow. Metals, they will allow the current to flow, that one. Semiconductors, it has medium resistance, it will not stop, it will not flow completely, only some part of the current it is going to allow, that one. Very high resistance, so they will not allow the current flowing through that one at all. They will not allow the current here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
वीडियो
Yes, sir.
ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ हो रहा है क्या? स्क्रीन शेयर किया तो
हाँ सर, वीडियो स्क्रीन शेयरिंग दिख नहीं रहा.
अभी स्क्रीन शेयरिंग दिख रही,
हाँ अभी दिख रहा है.
वीडियो भी दिख रही.
यस सर.
Both should be on, for that reason I'm telling. वीडियो दिख रही क्या अभी?
नो सर.
Video also. Oh, video then. It has some problem then. No problem. Okay. Next one, resistance over. Okay. Based on that, here suppose 1 ohm resistance का definition चाहिए हम. You know very well about the Ohm's law. All of you know very well about the Ohm's law. You know very well here now. So Ohm's law, what it will like, V equal to IR. From the Ohm's law, we can tell that one R equal to V by I. So R is equal to 1 ohm चाहिए हमको. V should be 1, I should be 1. Then obviously we'll get 1 ohm resistance here now. R equal to V by I. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 ohm only. So based on the 1 ohm resistance, the definition is a wire is said to have a resistance of 1 ohm if a potential difference of 1 volt across its end causes a 1 ampere current flow through it here now. 1 volt apply kiya to 1 ampere current will flow because the voltage is directly proportional to the current we are going to consider at constant resistance or temperature we are going to tell. So 1 ohm constant we are keeping the resistance here now. To get the 1 ohm resistance, the potential difference should be 1 volt, and current flowing through that one is should be 1 ampere here now. Is it clear up to here? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Any doubts? Which doubts है? Hello, is it
No,
audible?
No, sir.
Simple है ना topics? बहुत simple है. Okay. Then we'll go for the next part of the resistance only. Resistance, the factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. So before that part, you take down this resistance definition here now. You put the heading, write down, all of you. Write down the heading, you write down resistance. Next line, you write the definition. Definition, you write down. Definition, you write down. Resistance is the property of a substance. The double inverted comma you write down. Resistance is the property of a substance, due to which it opposes the flow of current through it. It opposes the flow of current through it. Full point, double inverted comma, full point. Next, you write the symbol, that is resistance symbol. Likho. Already it's visible. Screen is visible, na?
yes, sir.
Write the symbol. Next, you write the unit of ओम, यूनिट ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंस इज ओम। ओम का सिंबल, ओम बोल के वो एच एम लिखो, ब्रैकेट में ओम का सिंबल लिखो और एक ओपन ब्रैकेट ले लो। इन दैट वन यू राइट डाउन किलो ओम, के ओम, के और ओम सिंबल लिखो, किलो ओम and mega ohm. You can going to measure in kilo ohm also. Kilo ohm is nothing but how much? 1000 ohm. Mega ohm is nothing but 10 to the power of 6. That is nothing but 10 lakh. Over.
Yes,
Over.
sir.
Okay. Next line you write down note. Next line you write down note. Note बोल के लिखो. Note. Number 1. One number लिखो. Resistance of material is different. Is different. Resistance of material is different. Is different. For material to material, resistance of a material is different for material to material. Full point. Number 2. Number 2. Substances. Substances. Substances like metals. Substances like metals. Like metals. In bracket you write down. In bracket. Example. Easy. Example. Copper. Copper. Comma silver. Comma silver. Comma aluminium. Comma aluminium, etc. etc लिखो, etc. bracket close, bracket close. Offers, offers, offers less opposition, less opposition, less opposition to the, less opposition to the flow of free electronics. Offers less opposition to the flow of free electrons. That is these materials have less resistance. That is, these materials have less resistance. Full point. Full point. Number 3. Number 3 you write down. Number 3. Substances like insulators. Substances like insulators. Like insulators. Example. Example. Bracket में लिखो. Example. Bracket open. Example. Rubber, comma plastic, comma glass, etc. Full point. Bracket close. Bracket close. Offers very high opposition, offers very high opposition, offers very high opposition to the flow of free electrons, to the flow of free electrons through it, to the flow of free electrons through it. That is these materials have very high resistance. These materials have very high resistance. Full point. Full point. Next, fourth point. Fourth point. Substances like semiconductor. Substances like semiconductor. Substances like semiconductor. Example, in bracket, example, silicon, germanium, etc. Silicon, comma, germanium, etc. Bracket close. Bracket close. Offers medium opposition to the flow of, offers medium opposition to the flow of, free electrons through it, to the flow of free electrons through it, that is these materials have moderate resistance, moderate in bracket you write down medium resistance, moderate in bracket you write down medium resistance, ब्रैकेट में मीडियम लिखो, बाद में रेजिस्टेंस लिखो, फुल पॉइंट. फिफ्थ पॉइंट, resistance offered by different material is, resistance offered by different material is in order of metal, एरो मार्क सिंबल दे दो, सेमीकंडक्टर एरो सिंबल दे दो, insulators. Metal have less resistance, semiconductor have medium resistance, insulator have high resistance. You know, metal to semiconductor, semiconductor to insulator, like that. Over.
Yes, sir.
लिख रहे क्या नहीं लिख रहे?
Yes, sir.
देखेंगे लास्ट को टर्म मार्क्स इसके ऊपर ही दे देता हूँ मैं तो. I'll see that one. Who will submit the notebook? I'll check that one. So metals, अभी घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कुछ तो रिपेयर करने का रहते, कोई तो अभी लाइन को ऐसा रॉड लेके पकड़ते क्या, कोई टच करते क्या?
No, sir.
No, because it has very less resistance. Current easily pass through that conductor, so that rod or iron parts, so they may get the electrical shock over. Semiconductor, it will comes under the electronic circuits and all the things. The diode, transistor, we are going to use the silicon, germanium materials. We are going to use that one to allow the medium resistance. Insulators have very high resistances over there. अभी कुछ तो इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल रहते ना घर के बाजू वगैरह, उधर चॉकलेट कलर का एक रहते देखो, उसको इंसुलेटर्स बोलते हैं हम एक्चुअली. वो पोल पर टच किया तो तुमको करंट नहीं आते. Why? It is also metal part only, but it will not. But the in between the conductor and that pole, they have well insulated by using the insulator material. प्लास्टिक पकड़ के तुम घर का वायर रिपेयर कर सकते, कुछ तो किधर तो कट हो गए तो इंसुलेशन टेप लगाते ना, that is a plastic only. So that is nothing but it has high resistance. It will not allow the current to flow come outside from that material here. Will opposition will be more over there. So that is insulators. We are going to call that. Next one, to take small heading, 1 ohm resistance definition. 1 ohm resistance definition. To take that 1 ohm resistance definition. Continue in double inverted comma, you write down. A wire is said to have, a wire is said to have a resistance of, is said to have a resistance of 1 ohm. 1 ohm. 1 ohm. If a potential difference of 1 volt, if a potential difference of 1 volt, 1 volt across its ends, causes 1 ampere current, 1 ampere current flow through it, 1 ampere current flow through it. Full point. So this is one part here. No, resistance का एक part है, up to इधर definitions है, कौन सा material, which materials we have to use, and all the things we have discussed here now. See, resistances, how it is also depends on some factors. It is resistance का increase होते क्या, decrease होते क्या, what will happen, that is the, it is completely depends upon some factors are there. What are those factors? The factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. The first factor is length. We are going to call that now. Resistance का conductor का length increase हो गई तो resistance will be vary. सपोज पहला 1 मीटर रहते, अभी घर इंक्रीज किया तो तुम्हारा घर का कंडक्टर वायर तो इंक्रीज हो जाते ना, सो लेंथ विल बी इंक्रीजेस ऑब्वियसली. इफ द लेंथ ऑफ द कंडक्टर विल इंक्रीजेस, the resistance will be increases. So it is completely depends upon the length of a conductor. The resistance is depends upon the length of the conductor. Second one, area of cross section of a conductor. So पहला 1 स्ट्रैंड रहते, 1 स्क्वायर mm रहते, 2 स्क्वायर mm, 3 स्क्वायर mm, 4 स्क्वायर mm. So obviously the resistance is also depends upon area of cross section of a conductor. तुम घर में देखा होगा तुम लोग शायद, फ्रिज के लिए बहुत बड़ा क्रॉस सेक्शनल मोटा केबल्स यूज करते हैं, घर लाइटिंग के लिए स्मॉल वायर्स यूज करते हैं. डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट वन ओनली द resistance of that material is different, resistance of this one will be different. Which how the cross sectional area increase, then resistance will also depends, it will vary. I will tell that one, it will increases or decreases, I will tell you later. The next part we will discuss about that one here now. So type and nature of conductor or material. Which type of material we are using? What is its nature? Everything it is also the resistance is also depends on that one. And resistance is also depends on temperature also. Because any material resisting conducting material, if the temperature will increases, obviously the resistance will vary over there. Resistance will vary over there. So it is also depends upon the temperature here now. So based on these four factors only, we can tell that one, the resistance will be depends on these four factors only, obviously here. So take this one. Factors on which resistance of a conductor depends. Factors on which resistance of conductors depends on number one length of conductor material. Length of conductor material. Second one, area of cross section of conductor material. Area of cross section of conductor material. Area of cross section of conductor material. Third one, type and nature of conductor material. Type and nature of conductor material. Fourth one is temperature. So these are the factors on which resistance of conductor depends here now. So one by one we will discuss that one. Actually in some textbook they have mentioned this one as laws of resistance also. Laws of resistance, LAWS, law of resistances also they have mentioned in some textbook here now. So the length of a conductor material here now, first heading you take down, length of conductor material. Listen carefully here now, all of you listen carefully. The resistance of a conductor material is directly proportional to the length here now. See 1 meter कंडक्टर है, उसको 2 मीटर किया तो 1 मीटर का रेजिस्टेंस कितना रहता है, वो डबल हो जाएगा ना ऑब्वियसली. If the length of the conductor is increases, then resistance of the conductor will also increases here now. So for that reason we are going to tell that one, the resistance of a conductor material is directly proportional to the length of a conductor here now. If the length of the conductor is increased, then resistance of the conductor will also increases over there here. We'll tell that one here. R is directly proportional to L, they have written here. R is directly proportional to L, they have written here. That is R is directly proportional to L here now. A copper wire we are going to use here now. It is 1 meter here. Here 2 meter we have increased, obviously the resistance of the conductor will be whatever 1 meter to 2 meter it is increased means it will become double here now. This is the first law of resistance. The resistance of a conducting material is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. Take this one. First one you write down, length of conductor material. Length of conductor material. The resistance in bracket you write down R. The resistance in bracket you write down R of conductor material. Of conductor material. Of conductor material is directly proportional to the length. In bracket you write down L. Is directly proportional to the length L. Length L. Full point. Next line, that is R proportional to L you write down. R proportional to L here. Take these two diagrams. Take these two diagrams. This means that longer the length of a conductor material, greater the resistance. They are telling that one here. First you take the diagram and lastly you write this sentence of, lastly you write the sentence of this line you write down. Lastly you write this. दोनों diagram हो गए क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This means that longer the length of conductor material, longer the length of conductor material, comma, greater the resistance. Greater the resistance. That is textbook language. In our languages, if length of the conductor increases, then resistance will also increases. Like that also you can write down here now. The last you write down R is proportional to L, you can write down here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happened? Sharing बंद हो गया शायद. एक मिनट. OneDrive document. Whiteboard है क्या this one? R equal to rho L by A. Like this we are going to see here. Actually the laws of resistance is depends upon this formula. Formula is visible. Formula
Yes,
दिखता है? Better I will erase all things and I will take another. Okay. R is resistance here now. Yes. The rho we are going to before that one. Just a minute. So what we will do? We will take this R is directly proportional to L by A. This is the formula actually. Laws of resistance is this is the formula here now. This proportionality is there. That proportionality constant we are going to use as rho we are going to use here now. Rho L by A we are going to call that one here now. So based on this principle formula, R is directly proportional to L here now. R is directly proportional to L, and resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. If the area of the conductor, the width of the conductor is increased, then resistance will be decreases. For that reason only we have to resistance will be decreases. For the fridges and all 16 ampere current required is more. उसके लिए थोड़ा मोटा conductor or wire they are going to use that one. The resistance will be less. then obviously the current it will allow more. If the resistance is less, more current will flow like that. So this rho is the proportionality constant. That one, the constant of material, we are going to consider that one. This is a physical condition of the material. Rho is nothing but specific resistance, we are going to call this one. This is the formula for the R equal to. So each one, first is R is directly proportional to L. Second one, R is inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. Rho is the specific resistance. So all four, whatever the laws are there, we are going to discuss here now. So those four laws in the PPT will discuss. This is the first one is over now. Second one, area of cross section of a conductor material here. Conductor material. So resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. We are going to tell that one here. The resistance of a conductor material is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the same material here. No, उसका material कौन सा conductor use कर रहे हैं, that conductor material is, if cross section area is increased, then resistance will be decreases. Like that we are going to tell that. So you just check your, everyone is there in your houses and all the things. For the fridge, washing machine, AC, they will use the cables, they are going to use that one. So thicker cables they are going to use. For the housing wire system, very small wires they are going to use. The cross sectional area of that one is very less over there. So obviously if the area of cross section is increased, then obviously the resistance will decrease. Resistance is decreased is nothing but more current will flow, because in the fridge, washing machine, coolers, they require more current only. So it is by increasing the width of the conductor, they are passing the more currents over there. So based on the formula, we can say that one R is inversely proportional to A. R is the proportional to 1 by A. 1 by A is nothing but inversely proportional. We are going to call that one. This means that greater the cross section area, the lower the resistance of conductor material here now. If the cross section area is more, then resistance of the material is so we are seeing the example. So two diagrams I have shown here. First one is copper wire 1, A1 meter square is there, 2 meter, sorry, that one A2 meter square is nothing but area unit is meter square, that one. So its width is increased, that one. So R is inversely proportional to the area here now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, third one, we are going to type and nature of material here now. So already you know that one, which metals have less resistance, semiconductors have medium resistance, insulators have high resistance. So some materials have low resistance, some materials have high resistance. Depending upon that one, type and nature of the conductor is also different here now. It is also depends here now, because each material it has different resistances. Abhi silver mein so this one metals only you consider that one. The iron rod it has different resistance, silver has different resistance, aluminum has different resistance here now. All are metals only, but in the metals whatever the conductors are, the different types, aluminum, copper, silver, each everything have different resistance only. So which type of conductor you are using, what is the nature of copper, what is the nature of aluminum, what is the nature of iron part, like that you have to think that one here now, because the resistance is also depends on type and nature of conductor here now, conductor material here now. So the resistance of a conductor depends on nature of the material of which it is made, and some materials have low resistance whereas others have high resistance. Example, silver has low resistance than iron here now. सिल्वर का रेजिस्टेंस लेस रहते हैं आयरन को कंपेयर किया तो, और गोल्ड रेजिस्टेंस आयरन सिल्वर के साथ कंपेयर किया तो गोल्ड रेजिस्टेंस हैज वेरी लेस कंपेयरिंग विद सिल्वर. लाइक दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेल दैट वन. हैव यू टेकन दिस वन? एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन नोट डाउन हो गया क्या? लिखा है क्या कोई?
नहीं सर.
Yes, sir.
Take the second heading. Second one, number 2, you take down area of cross section of conductor material. Area of cross section of conductor material. Conductor material. Conductor material. Next explanation you write down. The resistance of conductor material. The resistance of conductor material. The resistance of conductor material is inversely proportional to the is inversely proportional to the cross section of the same material. Is inversely proportional to the cross section of the same material. That is R proportional to 1 by A. That is R proportional to 1 by A. 1 by A. Next line. This means that greater the cross section area. This means that greater the cross section area. Greater the cross section area. Comma. Lower the resistance of conductor material. Lower the resistance of conductor material. Take these two diagrams. दोनों का diagram ले लो. Note down both diagram you take down and let me know that one after taking the diagram. Just say completed. Over.
Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, third one. Put the third one heading type and nature of conductor material. Type and nature of conductor material. Type and nature of conductor material. Next line. Take the explanation. The resistance of a conductor depends on the resistance of a conductor.
संपले लेक्चर माझं
क्या हुआ?
तिथं कोपऱ्यात होती काय रे दो
Who is that?
काय तुला ओळख काय लागा
Okay, just a minute. I will complete that one. The resistance of a conductor depends on the nature of material which it is made. Depends on nature of material which it is made. कौन सा material से किया वाला है? वो materials का depends रहते resistance here now. The resistance of a conductor depends on the nature of the material of which it is made. Full point. Continue. Some materials have low resistance. Some materials have low resistance. Some materials have low resistance. Whereas others have high resistance. Whereas others have high resistance. Full point. Next line. Example. Silver has low resistance than iron. Silver has low resistance than iron. Full point here. So this is the third one. Next we will go for the fourth one here now. The fourth one we will stop with after explanation of this one here now. See, I already told that one. Some materials, almost in all materials, what will happen? if the temperature of the material increases, then resistance of that conductor will also increases here. That is, if the resistance will be increases, then obviously the heat will be increases. Temperature increase होगा तो resistance increase हो जाएगा. Resistance increase is nothing but it will start to oppose the current here. No, opposition of current, what will happen? It will happen. It will forms the heat here. No, that heat is nothing but temperature. If it is increased, some cases almost you may heard that one, short circuiting and all the things. House will burns that one. Some conductor will burns that one, like that, because of the heating only it will affects over there. Short circuit means what will happen? The resistance will be increases over there, and obviously it will stop the current. Temperature will be increases, so it will start to burn over there here now. So the resistance of the conductor is also depends on the temperature here now. If the temperature increase होने दो, decrease होने दो, resistance change नहीं हो तो it will not be affect. But the resistance will increases based on the temperature also. So it is also depends on temperature. For that reason, temperature affects the resistance of conductor material here now. In most of the conductor material, resistance increases with temperature. So as temperature of conductor increases, free electrons increases, but due to the thermal vibration opposition to the free electrons also increases. This means that resistance increases with temperature. So already we have told that one, the opposition occurred by the free electrons, we are going to consider that one. Free electrons will also increases, but because of the thermal vibration, heat ka vibration रहते, the waves of the heat it will start to transfer from one place to another place. Because of that one, the opposition of the free electrons will also increases the resistance of the conductor here now. This means that the resistance will be increases with temperature here now. For that reason only, the resistance is depends upon four factors, that is length of the conductor, cross section area, type and nature of material, temperature of the conductor here now. So take the fourth one. After dictation of this one, I will stop here. Take the fourth one. Temperature. Explanation you take down. Temperature affects the resistance of conductor material. Temperature affects the resistance of conductor materials. Full point. Continue. In most of the conductor materials, resistance increases with temperature. Resistance increases with temperature. Full point, and make a paragraph. Next line write down. As temperature of conductor increases, comma, free electrons increases. Full point, continue. But due to thermal vibration opposition, opposition to the free electrons is also increases. Increases. Full point, and continue. This means that resistance increases with temperature. So Kamble Snehal, you have to mute. Just a minute, don't leave the meeting.